Hi everyone. So here is the recipe for this brat and sauerkraut with veggie dish, and it will serve 4 people. So you're going to need 6 brats, any brats that you like, sauerkraut, a medium pepper, a small onion, which you'll only need half of it, pink salt, onion and garlic powder, a hot spicy seasoning I'm using down by the Bayou, avocado oil or olive oil, a fry pan with spatula, a 1 cupper, and a tablespoon. Let's heat up our oil in a pan, 4 tablespoons, on a heat a little higher than medium. While that's heating, cut up 1 full pepper and just half the onion. Throw that into your hot oil and let it cook. Just be stirring it around. You'll see the picture here once they're ready to go and nice and soft. Then cut up in bite-sized pieces all 6 of the brats and throw them in. And 1 cup of the sauerkraut. Give it a good stir. Then add over it pink salt, onion and garlic powder, and for the hot seasoning, like I said, I use down by the Bayou. Give that a good stir and let cook. And then there it is right there, all ready to be eaten. It took about 10 minutes to cook. And then go ahead and serve it up. Now, each serving, it was 4 servings, was 6.8 net carbs a serving. And this was so flavorful. If you like a dish that's got like a tart taste with that sauerkraut, right here, you guys, if you love brats and sauerkraut, this was delicious. So definitely make it. And always remember to keep it keto.